Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Nony. Guys, see this one is giving me some kind of vibes that I love. Guys, see, in this vlog I'm going to be taking you through my journey of making a bed. See, I'm just hoping that this bed turns out very well. Okay, I'm hoping it comes out as well as I really hope it will. I trust my friend, she has done it before and I know we are going to be able to do it very well. So just stay tuned. Okay, backstory is I actually wanted to buy bed, as in bed. So I checked online for the prices and this is what I've been getting. Can you see the prices that they give to me? Guys, as the Igbo girl that I am, I know that even me and my villager people will not be happy with me if I spend this kind of money on bed alone. So what did I do? I called my friend. My friend has an active engineer as a husband, and she too, she's good. So the two of them decided to help me make the bed. So off we go to the market. Okay, see, if you know you don't want to spend money on mattress and bed, you know you want to save money, you want to cut down on costs. As the Igbo girl that I am here to give you this news. Stay tuned. So let me take you through. We're actually about going out to buy some of the things that we're going to use for the bed. So today is day one of the vlog. Basically, we are supposed to finish up this thing tomorrow. So today, the plan for today is to just go and buy the materials, and tomorrow we'll start making the bed. So let's get started. See you soon. Guys, so this was us on our way to Ikere Road. That's the place that they sell things for the bed. These are the fabrics that we're trying to buy. See different types of fabrics. I actually had ash in mind, but when I got there and saw different shades of brown that I really loved, I just got confused at first. So this was us just trying to check the quality, because you know quality is one thing that is very important, right? So yeah, we're trying to check the quality and compare. I really love this brown. See, this one I was touching, it was so fine. The texture was really nice. So I later requested for that particular quality, but in ash color or a gray color. So they showed me this particular one. I didn't like this one because it was too light. I was looking at something a little bit darker to be able to cover up dust to an extent, because being in Port Harcourt we usually have black suits and dust in Port Harcourt is a lot. So looking at something that will be durable for me. So yeah, we're looking for colors, and fortunately we found this particular one. So yeah, this was what I finally went with. I took this particular one. I was still comparing this brown again. Yeah, so this was me still trying to talk to the seller to give us good quality. See me now trying to create content, and this thing fell and this thing fell down. Everybody was just looking at me. See guys, it's not easy to hold camera in public. So after buying the fabric, we bought 10 yards of the fabric. We went and we bought foam. So this was, I think, 1.5 inch, no, 2 inches. We bought 2 inches foam. We bought rubber. We bought this fabric. I don't know the name. I'm not a professional here. So yeah, we bought this fabric to be able to use it to cover back of the bed. I think we bought 10 yards of this or so. I think we wanted 10 yards, but they did not have enough. So we just bought all that they had in this particular color, which was about 8 yards. And we took it. So we spent, I think I bought that thing like 150 per yard or so. We bought the fabric was 1,001 per yard, so 10 yards was 11,000. This one was 1,005 or so, less than 1,500 basically. And yeah, this was me carrying the whole things that we bought. Yeah, we also bought fiber, which is that white thing that you're seeing inside here. We bought fiber as well. So this was me carrying the thing to the car. Oh god, it was so funny. Yeah, it was actually fun creating this content. Honestly, I really loved it. So after that, we left for the house. So we got home that day and dropped. These are the things. My friend's husband Daniela actually helped us buy the woods. Okay, so day two, he had already, I told you he bought the woods for us. So after buying the woods, they were able to cut it and do all of that. So this was Daniela trying to teach me how to cut. She honestly, my friend is goals. Like, she's goals. Honestly, she really helped me out. I didn't know anything about bed making, I won't lie. Her husband assisted off camera, of course, but she was the one that taught me how to do this. So we're just trying to apply gum to the wood. These are the woods that we use for the headboards, right? So we applied gum on the woods, put the foam that we bought, the 2 inches foam on it, pasted it together, and when they gummed together, we now had to use fiber. So this was me trying to trying to apply gum on the wood and then put the foam on it. After that, we used fiber, which is this white thing that you can see here. We use it to wrap the whole wood and foam combo that we've already joined together, and then we use that thing that is like stapler to staple it. That wood stapler, I don't know the name. See, I'm not a professional furniture woman. I don't know anything here. If it is skincare here, I will show you my true self, but here I'm not really good in furniture. So this was us trying to lay all of them before cutting the fiber, which is that white thing that you can see there. So see me playing now. What is life without catching fun? My dear, so we laid it on the fiber, used scissors or something to cut it. After cutting, that's when we now started doing that wrapping. That wrapping was not easy. I won't lie, my hand was paining me for like 2 days. My muscle around my hands were really stiff. Daniela really tried for me. So this is me trying to open it up. This was how the fiber came, so we had to open it up because it was thick. See, I told you we really had fun creating this content. We had fun making the bed, we had fun doing all of this. So see that thing I was telling you about the stapler now. But this thing was so painful, but we did it anyway. She really helped me. At some point we got tired and her husband actually helped us again off camera, like I said. So yeah, this was me trying to staple it and acting like I was strong. Oh god, this thing was not funny at all. It wasn't funny. So yeah, this is what I was telling you. You have to use the fiber to wrap the wood and the foam together. I hope you're learning something. So yeah, we wrapped it. That's how we wrapped the 6 of the wood that we're supposed to use on the headboard, or for the headboard. After doing that, we now did the 4 woods that we used round. Do you get? So we used the longer ones, the ones that we use by the sides of the bed. Yeah, so that's like the frame, right? So we also did those ones for the sides of the bed. After this, guess what, guys? That's when we'll now start using the fabrics. This thing is not easy, but we really saved a lot of money. As the Igbo girl that I am, I'm really happy that I saved this money. Imagine me paying 250,000 naira for the bed. Imagine, in this economy. Oh, God bless Daniela for me. Everything I spent for this bed was roughly 55,000, I think less than 60,000 naira, and I'm super grateful for this. Honestly, the bed is durable, it's fine. It just give my room a facelift. Very soon I'll do a room tour. I don't know. If you want me to do a room tour, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any question about this bed, please also let me know in the comment section. So yeah, this was I and Daniela still trying to wrap up the bed and playing. We're just being goofy and just catching fun while doing it. Okay, yeah, so these are the 6 of them for the headboard and the other side. So yeah, it's time to use the fabric. So this is that fabric we bought now. So remember I told you we bought 10 yards, and fortunately 10 yards was very okay for us. We didn't even finish it. I think I have about 1 yard plus remaining. So we had to lay the woods on the fabric before cutting. Do you get? So when you're cutting, you have to create allowance on both sides and the up and down as well, so you'll be able to have enough fabric to wrap it with. Do you understand? And when wrapping, you have to stretch it very well to avoid any form of rumpling or folds. So yeah, what we did was we wrapped it, and wrapping it still requires us to use that same stapler. Do you get? So we had to wrap it to the stapler again. This was me trying to form trying to form a hardworking girl and all that. Yeah, so after wrapping it, we'll see now. This was us still trying to wrap it. See Daniela helping us. This was really late at night. I think we did this till about 9 o'clock or so on day 2. So after wrapping it, we just sent it. After wrapping it, I had to take all of them back home. You know, we did all of this in Daniela's house. So after all of this, I went home. Bake him and helped me carry it. So he carried everything for me, and
drove me my house. So this was me still trying to wrap the thing. It's not easy, guys. I told you now that my hand was paining me for like 2 days. So see me forming hard-working girl again. The furniture work is not easy at all, I must say. So this is the headboard, guys. See the 6 of them. We've already joined them together. We had to use a wood. Her husband, Daniela's husband again, helped us use a wood to couple them. See tools. See, when I tell you that she has an active engineer as a husband, I had to video those tools so you understand. And yeah, this is day 3. So this is my room now, and we are trying to just do the coupling now. So this is the leg of the bed. We just try to fix the leg of the bed, and yeah, this is the frame. Remember I told you there were 4 woods that we had to, the longer ones that we had to use as the frame. So after that, so this thing here, this thing in the middle here is what will elevate the mattress. Do you get? So
guys, so this is what the bed looks like after all the hustle, after the whole hitting of nail and doing everything.
Guys, see what the bed looks like. Just help me thank Daniela. We all need friends like this in our lives. I'm going to drop her link so you guys will help me subscribe to her channel. Help me tell her thank you, okay? See smart evil girl like me now, 60k versus 250k. Guys, please help me like this video, share, comment, subscribe to everything, okay? See you in my next video.